Ready? Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, let me take this opportunity to draw the attention of the government and also of the House to some of the important factors and the vital situation that is obtaining in the country today. Full stop. The prices of essential commodities are soaring up like anything. Full stop. The prices of even food grains and edible oils are increasing day by day and the life of the common man is becoming miserable. Full stop. There is no use of preaching to the business people, black marketeers and hoarders. Full stop. Unless the government takes some stringent action against the black marketeers and hoarders, I do not think the business community, which is bent on making money, only interested in its business of making money. Full stop. The business community is not there to do any social service to the people. Full stop. They are there only to make money. Full stop. As such, black marketeers and hoarders should be punished, and I may even ask why the MISA should not be used against such undesirable elements in this country. Full stop. When the Congress government used the MISA against black marketeers and hoarders, the opposition parties and political leaders wanted all the political leaders to be released from jail and that not a single political leader should be kept inside the jail in the name of black marketeering, but at the same time they never wanted the undesirable elements to be let out. Full stop. Para. Now I appeal to the government to find out whether undesirable elements like black marketeers and hoarders could be booked. Full stop. At the same time, full liberty should be given to the courts of law and the courts of law should not be closed to those people. Full stop. Now we find the Prime Minister of the country making appeals to the business people. Full stop. But how long do you go on making appeals to them to lower the prices? Question mark. So I appeal to the government to see that the prices of essential goods are reduced so that they come within the reach of the common man. Full stop. Para. Sir, the agricultural production is going down because the prices of fertilizers are going up. The cost of agricultural production is shooting up day by day, and the backbone of the agriculturist and the small farmer having been broken today, he is not in a position to do his cultivation. Full stop. I say that the small marginal farmer does not get credit facilities from the government or from the bank. Full stop. Para. So I appeal to the government to help the agriculturists and the small farmers so that they may do their cultivation work properly and the agricultural production of the country is increased. Full stop. We were pleading that a crop insurance scheme should be chucked out so that it would give relief to the farmer. Full stop. His crop has to depend that on the vagaries of nature. Sometimes there are droughts and sometimes there are heavy floods and all that. Full stop. So there should be a crop insurance scheme. Full stop. I hope the government will consider this matter. Full stop. Para. Then there is the question of excise duty on BDs. Full stop. I do not know why the government did not leave this item. Full stop. BD is used by the commonest man and it is not a luxury item. Full stop. I appeal to the government that even at this late stage they should reconsider their stand. Full stop. They should not be dogmatic on this matter and they should not take it as a prestige issue. Full stop. After all, BD is being consumed by the commonest man. Full stop. Lakhs and lakhs of people are dependent on BD for their livelihood. They are working as BD workers in BD factories, full stop. So I appeal to the government that the excise duty on the BDs should be reduced and there should be no tax on BDs, full stop, para. Sir, I may also bring to the notice of the government another important matter of the Karnataka state, full stop. In Karnataka state, the constitutional machinery has failed today and the central government has appointed judge to go into the corruption charges against the chief minister of Karnataka, full stop. This is the first time that a chief minister has challenged the authority of the central government to appoint a judge against his will, full stop. The chief minister says that the central government has got no authority to appoint a judge against his will, full stop. Now the matter is pending in the Supreme Court, full stop. Not only that, the Karnataka chief minister appointed his own judge to go into the corruption charges against him and his own officers to place the records before the judge appointed by him, full stop. That thing is going on in Karnataka, full stop. Apart from this rebel, minister have come up, full stop. The chief minister and the ministers are collectively responsible to the people at large. But what is going on there? Question mark. The chief minister has no confidence in his own ministers, full stop. They are known as rebel ministers, full stop. Neither have they resigned from the Karnataka cabinet, nor has the chief minister shunted them out, full stop. These are the affairs of the Karnataka state. I plead the central government to take appropriate steps to run the government machinery smoothly, full stop.